end bad politician, end bad soldier, end bad anything bad at all wey don dey for that Nigeria. This is the time to end it all. No be say na lie. Opportunity come but once. Let's take it and grab it with pleasure. Like seriously, because all those heroes wey they kill, their blood will never go in vain. Our war, God forbid, they must be remembered and they must be honored every year. Like seriously, they really truly deserve it. Hi guys, you're welcome back to Sophie Universe, wherever you're watching me from around the world. I pray may the good Lord bless and strengthen you. May He or she open that beautiful and gorgeous side of yours to make you see and understand from my own point of view. If it's your first time of seeing my video or listening to my audio, you're very much welcome to my universe. Thanks for stopping by. Please do me a favor before you leave. Kindly subscribe to watch more of my videos. Hit the bell button to get notification whenever I have positive opinion and hot topic to share with my wonderful brothers and sisters. And if you've already subscribed, thank you very much. May the good Lord bless and strengthen you also. Thank you, thank you, thank you. With that being said, I want to talk about the crisis we dey for Nigeria right now. The EndSARS protest wey come get big and big and big. E come even born hashtag resign President Muhammad Buhari, resign all the bad politicians. That is, he born many pikin. And kudos to all my wonderful brothers and sisters wey believe on peaceful protest. And I go use this opportunity to give respect to the heroes wey lose their life for this protest. When Nigeria army, wey Buhari by himself comot for this world, all because they exercise their constitutional rights. May their soul rest in peace. May the good spirit give the mother, the father, the siblings of those great heroes who lost their life to take bear this great loss. With that being said, I would love to give this our fallen heroes 1 minute of silence, and I would also love to play the national item for this our fallen heroes too. Please bear with me, my wonderful brothers and sisters, because they really and truly deserve them. Their deaths will never be in vain. Wetin they die for, we will achieve them, whether the wicked politician likes it or not. right, my wonderful brothers and sisters, you're very much welcome to my universe. As you already know, everybody don't they see what they play for inside Nigeria. I do video about the peaceful protest from Lagos Lekki. It was so peaceful that I no fit even resist the love wey come dey for that protest. The way all of them take calm, the smile wey come dey their face. I never post that video. Somebody come send one video call for me where soldier military enter that peaceful protest, begin dey open fire on their citizens. I no fit understand wetin Nigeria army, wetin army dey find for streets. Na that one na me no fit understand. Wetin concern military, concern civilians, for crying out loud. Wetin concern them? Wetin concern them, my brothers and sisters? Many video wey be say men I no go fit show, come dey show face for social media. Soldiers go dey burst people for house, SARS go dey burst people for house because say they do protest. E get one babe wey come dey cry for one video wey I see for Instagram, say because say police sabi SARS, see am say in the record, they come dey burst the door. The girl come dey shout, the girl come dey cry, oh I don die, oh I don die, oh. They catch me say I dey record. Like seriously, Nigeria police enforcement, like seriously, una even know the meaning, una even know the reason why una wear uniform. They teach una the reason una wear uniform. They teach una at all. And see, and the worst part of all this matter, to worsen this whole case, our president no dey like shake body, no consign na put for Jesus Christ. Wetin be all these ones na Nigeria politician? Wetin be all these ones? I dey see many dey talk about am for social media. This time wey we dey so, talking no go end anything. More na come out, more na pack una children come back from abroad, make dem come protest too. Na still their papa land, na still their mama land. You understand? I know say somebody go write am for here now where they support all these things wey they do for Nigeria, where they support Mr. Buhari administration, wey not talk put for this thing. They come put am for here now say you go to Nigeria and protest. Do you even know I got friends in that country? You know say I get siblings for that country. Me come dey shock. I don't know say my own blood come out for Lagos do protest. Me shock when I see am for go say my blood dey inside. So please, before you dey type anything, you need to know people, not just dey talk because say some people dey talk. You understand, my brothers and sisters? With all due respect, wetin Nigeria politicians never still understand be say change don come catch them. E don come catch them unaware. They no know say Nigeria people don tire reach like this. E still get another video wey I never post, why for talk about Mr. Sowore, where protesters come like embarrass am, like bully am comot for there. That one na the work of politicians. They wan cause chaos. They profit from all this chaos wey dey ground. They all profited from it. I think personally, just like I said in that video wey I never post, I think say men na politicians and work na be this, because they wan leave office, because their time don reach to comot for office. They wan hold the real power wey dey outside. They know now say men their time don over, so they need to hold the real power. Make the people for come dey feel or think now say they dey for them. They miscalculate am. The anger of the Nigerians wey they tap into, they no know say na so e go take play out. Na small they be say make they do am. They no know say people don over tire. They no know say men people don ready to lose their life for the Nigeria matter. So because if you look am well, with all due respect, life no dey for Nigeria. They lock them inside one country wey be say men they no even know wetin dey happen for the next states. Country wey be say men you go catch Omila like this, Omila go dey tell you say men in don tire for the world, make dem no carry am go prison. They beg police, make they abeg, make they waste am. That kind country you feel say the youth wey they come up, they still get joy. They prefer to die for the country, for the next generation to have a better life, because not be life that they live for Nigeria. How can you be living like a slave in your own father and mother land? Where be say me people they loot money, they keep for children where they not even know whether they go come life. People are tired, people are fed up. The politicians never still know wetin dey hit them now. They never still know wetin dey happen. They still dey feel say na draft na dey play. They still dey feel say men that they use people head, that they tell people where to go and where not to go. The time wey they'll take wake up say this thing don over them. In fact, Buhari go dey for streets with boxers, no be say shoot bear mama fly, because people are tired of living like slaves in their own country. They think say fear go still work this time. Fear no go work again, because the fear don too much for people body. People don't, that is, they don't overpower their fear. Not be there rich kpatakpata there. Now many people can't they live for that country. Now many youths stay there for that country. How many soldiers want fee by this one way that they do so they buy people as if say they don't get human rights again? It's boosting the anger of the people the more. In fact, politicians will not even know how many million they Nigeria. Una even know how many millions dey Nigeria. This one are the corruption we una create. Mona face the music. Mona face the music. He come out for report. I do the video of recent where they say illegal ratata wey dey streets. E many pass combine army and police on together. E many pass am. So you people should please come back to your senses. As the people say make our president resign, he no get choice. Now we the people now want tell am wetin he want do. Now we dey represent now, right? So we are saying we don't want him anymore. For him to like, oh God, give authority to soldier to go kill his own people, to go kpai his own people. That one na treason. Capital letter treason. For a soldier to open fire on a citizen with our flag. Like, are you people serious? Una really serious? So when I see that tweet, when I see the tweet for social media, one man I bring and come and say na the idea of his papa na colonel, mona no verse my tongue na so it dey be. The guy tweet say his papa put out advice, say make all the Protestants, make they use Nigeria flag to do shield. Make they use am to do shield. Say if soldiers see Nigeria flag, they not get rights. They not, in fact, they not even think to open fire. Could you know say flag where they fly for social media right now? Now Nigeria citizen blood, nice soldiers waste put for that flag. Can you imagine that, my brothers and sisters? Can you just imagine how far our wicked, heartless politicians can go to continue enslaving their own people? Can you just imagine how far they are willing to go, my brothers and sisters? But hey, the breaking news be say Nigerians are ready to. Look around the world, look all cable news. They are talking about Nigeria people. It is obvious to the world that we are ready for change. We don't tire to the exile. We don't tire to the hide under bed for another man country because police they come. We don't tire to the lose our brothers and sisters for Mediterranean Sea. We don't tire to the hear bad news from Malaysia. Now so our people jump from window because police they come, they not get documents. We are tired. Not be say shoot bear mama fly. Hashtag end SARS, end bad politician, end bad soldier, end bad anything bad at all we don't do for that Nigeria. This is the time to end it all. Not be saying a lie. Opportunity come but once. Let's take it and grab it with pleasure. Like seriously, because all those heroes where they kill, their blood will never go in vain. Our war, God forbid, they must be remembered and they must be honored every year. Like seriously, they really truly deserve it. When I look at end SARS protest, if I not be only end SARS now they make the thing they make me happy. Say man, it can't burn many picking different ideas can come and end everything bad for that country. Now on yours day now. When I look the protest from UK, see Nigerians for street, I say Jesus, how many people can't remain for house? This one are just the ones who come out. Many not come out, my brothers and sisters. How many people come the house? How many people dey house, my brothers and sisters? I look Italy on. I say Jesus, only Italy. They not come out. Now few come out. So this one come out for country. How many remain? How many remain, my politicians, when they feel say man Nigerians na zombie? How many remain? How many remain? I was just like, we still get people for house. Do we still have people in the house? Not to talk of how many we don't lost for Mediterranean Sea. I'm very happy say this history unfold for my time. I'm very happy say this thing na historic thing. All the big news for the world that they carry this protest, that they record and document everything where they go on right now for Nigeria. All the people will lose their life for this peaceful protest. Believe me, their blood, they are our president's hand, because now our president, now the commander-in-chief, now give authority to soldiers to come out, go face in own people. Peaceful protest. So this one a protest where be say man, e give many people joy for the world. They want come put out a report. Soldiers want come put out report. They say they come the shoot go up. Who call una there? They invite una. They invite una come, they wanna come the shoot. Even when they enter the protest, the video where they release come out, now they go waka meet them. The protest was not being violent. The protest was being peaceful. When they enter the protest, what's it come they come the shoot? Who invites? What it concern a soldier concern civilians? What it concern una? Not una suppose they protect these citizens. Una the shoot go up. Gun will buy for una, bullets will buy for una with our money. Like seriously, this one in fact, treason. Our president don't commit treason for the land because into na former soldier. He know what it take. He know as he don't take reach for inside the matter, inside the game. He suppose understand, say man, soldiers not suppose dey streets. Soldiers not get anything to do for streets. Soldiers not get them. We are tired of being controlled by soldiers in our own land. No, not be so it's supposed to be. They supposed protect us, like seriously. My mate Oshowore, he never ever do anything like this. So he only call for revolution. Una arrest him, una detain him for more than 60 days just because of revolution. This one now, una insult the full country like somebody. People hold the flag, use and take do shield. Una not care, una not respect that flag. So just fire on harmless protesters. So on harmless protesters. So this one now and calling for revolution. Which one be treason? Which one be treason, my brothers and sisters? Which one be treason? In fact, hashtag Mr. Buhari step down, capital letter step down. Please, we dey beg you. That is, we dey beg, we don't get choice. We don't want use force. We just dey beg you. Since una come dey meet us, come collect our power from us, we come dey beg you again now, Mr. President. Please, with all due respect, give us back our power. We don't want it with you again. We don't want give you again. Give us back. Person say I want give you something before, he don't want give you again. Problem still there. He suppose more still quarrel put. He not suppose more quarrel put. Oh, give us back our power. Just day we don't need you again. Now so Nigerians talk, because for you to Jesus give go ahead to soldier to come like fire on civilians. Where is that done? The fact they talk and say our president na dictator. I say no, muna stop her now. If una they talk like this, una they insult the office of the president. Muna not talk like that. Couple with the fact say he's an old man, he's an elderly man. Like seriously. For this time right now. So when just give a head to people to go kill poor people, children. This is enough. This one at the height. This one are the worst of all. Like seriously, we Nigerians, both home and abroad, we say we don't want you again. We say you don't care about us. We need somebody who get the poor masses matter at heart. With all due respect to you, sir, I dey very happy to say many people don't they talk for this matter. I come across one of my role model from America, former America presidential candidate, first female ever, Secretary of the State, First Lady of America. Who be this person why they talk about? So Mrs. Hillary Clinton, she tweets for this matter. Tell Buhari say, I am calling on Muhammad Buhari and the Nigeria army to stop killing young NSAS protesters. She joined the crowd, joined the Nigeria people where they cry, follow up with the hashtag end SARS. She still use another hashtag, stop Nigeria government. Wow. Thank you very much, ma. Hey, Jesus. Una no know as this thing they give me joy. Say the world are watching. The world are listening to our cry. The world they see the unity, the one voice where all of us they speak now. Voice of change, voice of unity, voice of talking one language. Not me say this one they talk this one, the other one they talk this one. The world don't they hear. The world they hear us. More keep them up like that. Please, my wonderful brothers and sisters, any video where you watch, even though you no even concern SARS, even though you no even concern end corruption in Nigeria, just put them for there. End corruption in Nigeria, hashtag end corruption in Nigeria, hashtag end police brutality, hashtag end soldier brutality, hashtag end corruption, hashtag be the change you want. Just let them just they fly they go. Make we not for let all the heroes wait for this matter blood go in vain. It will never go in vain. They will be remembered. Like seriously, I pray again the good spirits give the parents, the friends, the hearts to take bear this great loss, and I pray our heavenly Father or our heavenly Mother put them for his side because they fought a good cause. Like seriously, it's better to die for something than to die for nothing. Tanto the SARS, the police, the soldiers fed the waste them like say tomorrow not day. Like say Nigerians na cowards, say we no go fit ask them for the life where they take since all these years. With all due respect to each and every one of you. So this one are the hot report, the hot topic when I get my wonderful brothers and sisters. Why I say my quickly can drop for now. I hope you understand. I hope you see reasons for me. I hope you not take am personal. If I talk am well or I not talk am well, please find a place in your heart to forgive me. Take the one way good and throw away the one way not good. I beg you all in the name of God, for love's sake, for peace sake, because I know they on my camera to provoke anybody. Absolutely no, that's not my intention, that's not my calling. I just try to represent the change what I truly and really want. I just try to be the change what I want to see around me, what I want to see for my beautiful gallant state Edo and my wonderful country Nigeria. Please, my wonderful brothers and sisters, don't forget to be the change you want, and let me be the change I want. You are the change we are looking for. I am the change we are looking for. Together, when we all change, believe me, our country, our city, our environment will be one of the best for the town. Not be saying a lie. And I pray the good spirit guide each and every one of us, protect our going out and our coming in, give us reason to love, tolerate and forgive each other, give us more reason to do away with hate, revenge and every other bad stuff. Till I come your way next time, this Sophie Universe, the massive truths. Please, if you've not subscribed, subscribe to watch more of my videos. Hit the bell button to get notification whenever I have positive opinion and hot topic to share with my wonderful brothers and sisters. Don't forget to share my videos. Don't forget to patronize me. And don't also forget to give my video thumbs up. Love you in the name of love. Love you in the name of whatever you believe. Till the next video. One love.